Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering, the art of talking to AI to get exactly what you want. Imagine you have a super smart assistant at your fingertips, someone who knows almost everything. But here's the catch. They only understand you if you speak their language precisely. That's exactly what prompt engineering is about. It's the art of giving clear, effective instructions to AI to get exactly what you want. For developers, this means treating AI not just as a black box, but as a tool you can finely tune with your words to build amazing things. It's a critical skill in today's AI world, empowering you to unlock AI's full potential. At its simplest, a prompt is your instruction, question, or request you send to an AI model, like ChatGPT or another large language model, LLM. Think of it like giving precise instructions to a master chef, not just saying, make food. If you tell the chef, make a cake, they might make anything. But if you say, make a 3-layer chocolate fudge cake, 8-inch diameter, with cream cheese frosting, suitable for a birthday party, you're much more likely to get what you envisioned. Your prompt is the input, and the AI's response is the output. From a developer's standpoint, this is the API call you're making to the AI. It's easy to imagine AI thinking like a human, but that's not quite right. AI models, especially large language models, are incredibly complex pattern matchers. They've been trained on vast amounts of text and code from the internet, learning the statistical relationships between words. So, when you give it a prompt, it's essentially predicting the most likely sequence of words that should come next to fulfill your request, based on everything it has read. It doesn't understand in a human sense. It's a highly sophisticated autocomplete machine. For developers, this means the quality of the output is * directly proportional to the quality of the input, your prompt. To get great results, your prompts need 3 things. 1. Clarity. Use simple, unambiguous language. Avoid jargon unless you define it. Say what you mean directly. Developer tip. Think of writing clear function documentation. 2. Specificity. * be precise with your requests. Instead of write something nice, try write a 3-paragraph thank you note for a client who gave us positive feedback on our new software feature. The more detail, the better. 3. Context. * give the AI background information. Tell it who you are, who it should act as, and why it's performing the task. For example, act as a senior software architect reviewing a junior developer's code for best practices. This helps the AI align its thinking with your goals. Once you've mastered the basics, here are some advanced techniques. Roles. * tell the AI to act as a, e.g., marketing expert, friendly tutor, Linux terminal. This shifts its perspective and tone. Formats. * specify the output structure you need. Generate a JSON object with keys "name" and "age", or write a 5-bullet point summary, or provide the answer as a Python function. This is incredibly powerful for developers integrating AI into applications. Examples. Few-shot prompting. * show. Don't just tell. If you want a very specific style or output pattern, provide a few input-output examples. The AI will try to follow that pattern for your actual request. This is like giving the AI a custom training dataset on the fly. Prompt engineering is not a one-shot deal. It's an iterative process. Think of it like debugging code or refining a design. You send a prompt, you get an output. If it's not perfect, you don't give up. You analyze the AI's response, understand why it missed the mark, tweak your prompt, add more detail, change the role, refine the format, and try again. This back and forth refinement is crucial. Embrace experimentation. Small changes can lead to dramatically better results. As a developer, you're familiar with this build, test, refine loop, and it applies directly here. Even with good intentions, prompts can go wrong. Vagueness. The AI makes assumptions. Fix. Be hyper-specific. Overloading. Asterisk too many complex requests at once. Fix. Break down big tasks into smaller, sequential prompts. Ambiguity. Asterisk words with multiple meanings. E.g., bank. Fix. Define terms or rephrase to be unmistakable. Hallucinations. Asterisk I making up facts. Fix. Request sources. Fact-check important information, or specify only use information from the provided text. Conflicting instructions. Asterisk telling it to be formal but also conversational. Fix. Ensure all instructions are aligned and consistent. Mastering prompt engineering means you're not just using AI, you're directing it. For developers, this skill is paramount for building robust AI-powered features, automating tasks, generating specific content, or even helping in code generation and debugging. For anyone, it means dramatically boosting your productivity and creativity. It's the bridge between human intent and AI capability. Start practicing, experimenting, and refining your prompts today. It's an investment that will pay off immensely in the rapidly evolving world of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.